Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to paint on top of your images on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device and you can tap on the plus icon or the open button to open up any image that you want to edit. Once you open up this image, in order to start painting above this photo, you will first need to choose the color that you would like to paint with. So tap on Tools, and from the various different options such as Tune Image, you may choose your color by modifying various different parameters. After choosing your color, tap on the tick mark and then you can tap on the Edit Stack option to view your edits. From here you can choose the last effect that you applied and then choose the brush icon in order to start painting your selected color within your image right away. After painting over the spots that you want to paint on within your image, you can tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner and your paints will be applied to your photo right away. Now from the tools menu, you can also use brush in order to choose various different color categories and then apply them to your photo right away. You can also choose the intensity level and start applying your paint right away. And there you have it. That is how you can paint over any picture using Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.